In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use the Panda Remit mobile app to transfer money to a bank account. The link will be in the description of this video to download the mobile app. From the Panda Remit mobile app, you're going to click the profile icon. Then you're going to select add recipients. Then from the drop down, you're going to search for the country. So let's say United States. And here you would need to provide the information for the recipient. First name, last name, routing number, beneficiary bank, account number, account type, address, right? And then proceed to select next to add the recipient. Now I already have a recipient added on file, so I'll be demonstrating using this recipient. So let's step back. So you're going to select the transfer button. Here you're going to specify how much money that you want to send. Let's say 100 Canadian. It shows how much the recipient will receive. Then you're going to select finish. Then select send now. Then you're going to choose the recipient. Also on that previous screen, you could add the recipient, right? You can change the source of income, right? You can change the remittance purposes. At this point, no coupons are available. However, please check the description. If any becomes available, I'll post it there. And then you proceed to pay now. Here, you choose your payment method and then you basically proceed. So let's say Visa debit or credit card. You're going to add the new card and then confirm to pay. And that's basically it, right? So I don't want to make any transfer at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.